Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can follow a Snapstar on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the friends icon. After that, tap on the little magnifying icon. Now, scroll until you can find the follow Snapstar section. From here, you can find a number of Snapstars. Tap on this little save button beside the username of the Snapstar you want to follow. And that's it. This is how you can follow a Snapstar on Snapchat. All of the content they post will be visible on your Snapchat now.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.